In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable both looping and autoplay for the HTML5 video player. So when someone visits your page, the video will start automatically and it's going to loop over and over until the person leaves that page. It's really simple, step by step. I'm going to show you right now. Let's get started. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Bjorn from WPLearningLab, where we help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, for your clients, and for your business. If it's your first time here and you like WordPress and you like learning hacks and tricks and all kinds of stuff to help you get better at it, hit subscribe, then hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. And with that out of the way, let's head in the screen capture and start this WordPress tutorial. I'll see you there. There are quite a lot of use cases for having a video autoplay on a page when the page loads, and then even loop add this autoplaying so it goes on indefinitely. And for HTML5, it's really easy to do. We have created this video embed right here in a previous tutorial, linked to in the card above. There's a whole playlist of HTML5 that I have on the channel here that you can check out. But we're going to loop and autoplay this video. Right now, when this page reloads, we just have the still image that loads. If we click on play, we see the scrubber go to the end and then stop. So this one neither autoplays nor loops. If you go to the blog post that's linked to in the description down below, and we scroll down, we have, at some point here, video autoplay and video looping. And all we do to make this happen is add the word autoplay inside the video tag to make it autoplay, and the word loop to make it loop. So I'm just going to copy autoplay and loop out of here. You can also just type them in with your keyboard. They're pretty tough to get incorrect. Just going to paste these in here, update the page, refresh this page, and now it's going to autoplay and loop. We'll be able to watch this scrubber as it starts playing on its own. Scrubber goes to the end, back to the beginning, and over and over. This is going to autoplay indefinitely, it's going to autoplay every time the page loads and then loop indefinitely. And sometimes you want to not have controls. Like the person who comes here, they can still stop the video by doing that, which is quite often what you want. But sometimes, in rare cases, you don't want to have these controls. Maybe you're looping a silent video that's somewhere on your site and it's not intrusive. Usually it's the audio that's intrusive and people don't like when videos autoplay. But if it's just a video that's still, no sound, autoplaying without the ability to stop it is not that big of a deal in that case. If you want to remove those controls, all you do is you go back to your video tag, you find the word controls, and delete it. Click on update, and then refresh this page. And now the video is going to autoplay and it's going to loop. I won't be able to actually prove it to you that it's looping because there are no controls. We can't see the timeline, can't see the scrubber, but we can see this video does have audio that's muted right now, but you can see the audio symbol on my tab. Anyway, trust me, the video is looping and autoplaying without controls, and it's going to loop indefinitely. So that's all there is to it. I hope this video helps you. If you haven't done so yet, hit subscribe, then hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. And next up is clicking one of these videos that popped up on the right-hand side so you can get even better at WordPress. And until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.